Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. It's the same thing that we did with the passenger side axle. We got the rotor off, the caliper and pads, as well as this tire. I'm just going to show you a quick time lapse. So what it is I did with the last one. Basically going to go with the rotary tool, this rotary tool, and grind this and grind all the rust on that. Recoat it with this brushed aluminum, a tire repair kit, and fix this hole. Jacked it up, found the screw in it, so you have to rip the screw out and fix it with the tire repair kit. There's already no pressure in the tires, so I'm not really worried about it flying out, but that's really what's happening right now, and let me get right to it. This is what it looks like after all that's been grinded off, ready to be coated. Guys, so this is after grinding everything off. No, there's still a lot of dust on there, but I'm gonna wipe it off before I put it on anyway, so I'm not gonna worry about that. But that's that. I'm gonna leave that as it is. I'm gonna go ahead and start coating this with the rust aluminum. Oh, look at that. Looks so good. What it looks like now looks way better. Let it dry. That's what it looks like right now. No, I'm gonna cut that, trim it down, but you can tell that's what it's supposed to look like. Looks good. That's how you do it, guys. That's it for tonight, and I'll catch you on the next Jeep update video. See ya.